Lube Sticker Pro main window tour. The first thing that we're going to look at here is the tabs at the top of the main window. When we tap on this tab here, it opens the launcher so you can go to any other bolt-on technology software right from here. We also have the Lube Sticker window where we're going to be able to print our Lube stickers from. We also have the ability to print key tags. And what this does is with repair open in the background, is going to take that information for that vehicle and fill in this information as needed. If you need to put a note or something, you can put it right in here. And then when you hit print, you're going to print a key tag. When printing key tags, you have to be sure that you're using the paper key tags. The clear cling ones will not work on keys because the idea is on the paper ones with the sticky back, you separate them and then fold them around the key ring. The next tab is settings. We're going to come back to this because there's a lot of different things we have to talk about in this screen. And help. Help gives you the ability to help yourself. The how-to guide here gives you the ability to look up and read what you're looking for. The video training shows videos that allows you to learn how to use the software. This here takes you direct to the bolt-on website. And if you are having kind of issues with your software, we want you to use remote support, and that way we can connect directly to your computer and get it fixed. And what's new is going to show you what the latest and greatest items that you've gotten from bolt-on your last update. After that, let's go back to the Lube Sticker window. There's nothing worse than running out of stickers. So what we've done for you at bolt-on is we've given you a counter. What I suggest is that when you get your 500 stickers, don't put the 500 in there. Put 450. And then take 50 of those and hide them in your office so when the staff comes up and says, hey, we're out of stickers, you're already covered. Order more because you have 50 in your pocket. Procedures and information. Clicking here gives you the information you need for the vehicle you're working on. The reset procedures, for example, are all right here. And what we suggest is that you can print them out every time the vehicle comes in, but the easier way to do it would be just to copy these and paste them in a note field in your management system. Also, if you are using all data, this will automatically come up, and your fluid information will also be here. It's not available in all vehicles, but many, and in this way you know you're using the right oil for the vehicle you have in your bay. Now, if you don't have a license for all data, what you can do is use our legacy mode. In the legacy mode, you may have to go in there and identify the vehicle, put the vehicle year and all that information in, and then the reset procedure is right there, and the same thing applies. You can copy and paste these in your management system. You will not get fluid information when using the legacy version, okay? And again, if you do have a license for all data and you're using that, it's going to give you a little more flexibility. As a matter of fact, you can click here and it'll take you right into the information you need for fixing that Jeep. Again, only available if you have all data. With advanced scheduling, you're going to find that when we hit print, it does a whole lot of automatic things, such as setting your customer's next appointment and recommendations. Because so much happens when you hit print, we need a way to take care of it if we damage or lose a sticker. Well, that's why we have automation on down here. When you mouse over it, a little balloon pops up and tells you what it's all about. But basically, if we need to print a sticker without having all the automation that we're going to learn about, we need to shut this off. And then when we go up here and hit print, all we're going to do is get a new sticker and nothing else. All right, and this will automatically, by default, turn itself back on next time you open up Lube Sticker. The reverse. Let's say you have a vehicle in that was in last week and you did the oil change and you did print the sticker and did all the automation. Well, this week it's back for parts that you ordered, but you're not going to be doing another oil change. So how do you set those advanced scheduling? Well, you just go right up here and click on this and it will do that. Instead of printing a sticker and setting an oil change appointment, it will only set the advanced scheduling for all those items that were being done on that following date. The software is smart enough that it looks up the mileage and calculates the average miles per day that this customer drives. And based on the oil type that you've put in the settings, this is going to recalculate as you move through all these. Okay? And you also have the ability to using what's called a custom interval. The OEM specs for doing an oil change. All right, and you can put that in there like this. You can put in whatever mileage that they say it should be, and then you can put in the dates. And once you hit OK here, and once you hit print for this vehicle, that will be locked to this vehicle, which means the next time you open up the Lube sticker software, the OEM will automatically be chosen. And that way, you never have to look it up again. Lube Sticker Pro will also allow you to modify the date and time that these things got done. So you can always go back in there, and if the customer says they can't make it until a certain date or whatever, you can change this right here, and when you hit print, this will go onto the sticker as you're printing it now.